This video is for educational purpose. In today's video, I'm going to show you the legitimate method, the ultimate guide on how to download any song from Spotify to your phone. This video is going to save you some extra cash, some extra dollars from subscribing for data or subscription every time you want to listen to high quality music. Just by clicking to watch this video, you are very lucky. Meanwhile, I'm the only creator on the entire YouTube platform that is going to show you actual legit method on this topic. Yes, I know you have watched millions of YouTube videos on this topic, but you didn't get what you want, right? I'm going to show you the legit method. In fact, I'm going to show you two methods. If the first method don't work for you, the second method is going to work for you. Both are legit and it's going to work for you. Hi and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, do well to hit the like button so the YouTube algorithm can push this video to more people. Share this video with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you never miss any important feature content, right? Not to waste much of your time, like that right in. Now go to your Spotify app. Once you are on the app, you can either choose the search bar to search for the song that you want to download. Alright, or either way, you can just proceed here. Let me just continue with one of these songs, right? Or just tap the three dot menu on the song, then tap the share icon. And once you tap the share icon of the song that you want to download, just copy the link here. Once you copy the link, just customize the app and go to your browser. Come to Google. In the search bar, tap this Spotify downloader, right? Then click the first website, paste the link of the song here and click start. Then around here, click convert the song. Wait for a minute so the song will be converted. Now once the song is converted, you click download. You click this. Alright, as you can see, the song is already downloaded. Now let me show you method 2. Now let me show you method 2. Method 2 is on this site, this other site. Now once you come here, just type this and paste the link of the song, right? Then click download. Then get the link, click get link and wait for a second. Okay, then click get link. Alright, then you click download now. Is downloaded successfully. So you can try any of these methods and give me your feedback in the comment. I told you, I said I'm the only one on the YouTube app that's going to show you legit method, and I did right. Thanks for watching and love to see you in my next video. Wait, let me show you something. You see this video up here? This video has gotten over 1,000 views on my channel, and in the video I teach people the legit method on how to download song from Audiomack to your file, like I have shown you in this video. You can also click the link in the comment, the pin comment, to watch the video, or you can continue watching the video here. Maybe YouTube is going to recommend the video right here, so you can just click and continue watching the video. Thanks for watching and love to see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.